Hello, this is Aaron from Wisconsin Insurance Plan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to complete a dwelling application. So we start on the home page and we want to go to the login page. And once we're on the login page, we're just going to click the producer portal button. Then we're going to log in with your producer password and username. Then once you're in the page, you're going to click policy. And then dwelling fire application. All of this stuff in the very first column is going to autofill based on your producer login. Then you're going to put down the insured's name, any authorized representatives, different insured, the location's address, the mailing address. If you want it to be the same as the location, it can be. If you want it to be somewhere else, you can change that as well. The first inspection contact, second inspection contact, and if you have any additional people that you want to have on the policy as insured, you'd click that, put in their information, save it, and mortgagee or additional interests, same thing, put your information there. There would be another box that pops up afterwards after you put in the information, and you'd have to click exactly what they are in relation. And then after that, you would click next and go to the dwelling page. Once you're on the dwelling page, you are going to fill out the details section. You're going to say if it's owner occupied or not, under rehab seasonal, number of stories, number of families, what year it was built in, the ground floor area, construction type, current market value, applicant's insurable interest in the property, and years of ownership. Any additional details that you might want to add, you can put in this section here. And then the fire department info will autofill based on the address you had put in earlier. Then you would say whether or not the applicant has active coverage or if they've had a lapse in coverage. Once you're on the coverages tab, you're going to select what type of peril coverage you'd like, and then the dwelling limit, which for coverage A, then coverage B will be autofilled based on your answer for coverage A. Personal property, on-premises theft coverage and deductible. Then after you put in all that, you can click next.
So this is the general info tab, and it's just a quick little questionnaire about the property. Just click the questions, hit the right ones. Some of them will pop up with extra little text boxes. Just fill them in if they do pop up. Then if you have any more remarks, put it down in the remarks area. And once you're finished, you can hit next and go over to the forms tab.
Once you're on the Forms tab, it'll just show you all the forms and endorsements that will be included in the policy once approved. The tab shows the name of the form and the premium for the endorsement, if applicable. After you've reviewed this tab, please click Next to move on to the Loss History tab. The Loss History tab is pretty easy. Just asks if there's been any losses in the past 5 years for the applicant or the property. If not, select No and move on. If there has been, you click yes, and then add all the losses that may have happened, and after you're completed with that, you would click next as well. The pricing tab shows all of the premiums for the options that you had selected in the previous tabs added up, and at the bottom it shows you your total yearly premium along with the limits of coverage for the policy. All of this is subject to change once underwriting takes a look at it and then decides if they want to make it a policy or not. So this is not a solid number, but it's a ballpark estimate. The payment tab shows how you would like to end up paying for the premium if it does get turned into a policy. You can either choose to pay the yearly premium all at once, or you can choose the insured 5-pay, which is just 5 equal payments of the premium throughout the year. And you can also choose whether or not you want to add a debit or credit card for it to be auto-pulled from, or if you want to mail the premium to Wisconsin Insurance Plan when it's due. So you just select what you want, should this be turned into a policy, and then select what you'd like. And if you do choose to mail your premium, the coverage will start the day after the mail with the premium gets delivered. So this is the last page, and first you're going to read this top portion here and make sure all of it lines up with what you are and what you agree with. And after you've read that and you agree to it, you would fill out this bottom part as a form of signature. And along with all of this stuff that you're filling out here, you would need to include the reason for rejection, and then also a attached copy of the insurer rejection, non-renewal, or cancellation notice dated within the last 6 months. And then you just click upload here and find the file and then upload it. And after you've filled in your social security number, name of producer, complete the application, name of insurer rejecting, and the date, and the reason for rejection, you would just choose to either print or email the report, which would just be the entire application.
You're going to want to hit submit referral to send the application on down to underwriting, where they can look over the application and decide what to do with it. If you have any more questions or anything just doesn't make sense, you can go ahead and call us. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.